Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix text message notifications not working. So guys, if you are using iPhone and not getting notifications of your text message, then I'll help you how to get these notifications. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings in your iPhone or iPad, and guys after this you need to click on notifications. And guys after this, here you need to find the app messages. So guys, text messages. So guys, simply you need to click on this, and guys you can see here the first one option is allow notification. So guys, simply you need to turn on this, and guys after this you need to turn on critical alerts also and time sensitive notifications. So guys, you need to turn all of these. And guys, below you can see here three options. First one, lock screen, notification center, and banners. So guys, you need to check all of these. So guys, when you click on lock screen, then guys you will be able to see notifications when your iPhone has been locked. So then guys you will be able to see notifications. And guys, second is notification center, that is this tab. So guys, you will be able to see your notification in this tab. And guys after this, the third method is banner means when you have received any notification, then guys you will be see here on the top of your iPhone. And guys after this you need to scroll it down, and guys you can see here the option of sound. So guys, make sure that you have turn on sound on notifications. So guys, simply you need to click on sound, and guys you can select anyone from here. So guys, here you can see. So guys, you can select you must select any sound on notification. So I have selected this one, and guys after this you need to go back. So guys, by doing this method you will be able to get notification on your text. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.